Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to log out of Netflix on your smart TV. Firstly, launch the Netflix app on your smart TV. Make sure your remote is working and that app isn't frozen. If Netflix is frozen or not responding, try uninstalling or factory resetting your TV. Now on your remotes, press the left arrow to open the Netflix side menu. Use the down arrow to scroll down until Get Help is highlighted. Just on some TVs, this may appear as settings. Don't select Exit Netflix, that only closes the app without logging out. Press the Enter button on your remote on the Get Help page and press down until Sign Out is highlighted. Press Enter to select it. Netflix will ask you for confirmation. Just highlight Yes, then press again. Netflix will now log out and return to the sign-in screen. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.